Hey Aquanuts, I've been getting the question a lot in the past 24 hours, especially in areas like Texas that are having a lot of blackouts due to the snow. What do you do with your pool equipment when you lose power for a prolonged period of time and it's freezing outside? Well, the answer is simple. First, you're going to need to make sure that you kill power to your system. I know you already have lost power, but throw circuit breakers or switches to make sure that your equipment doesn't come on when the power to your house comes back on. Next, you're going to pull the two drain plugs on your pump. You're going to pull the one on your filter. You're going to put your filter in a winterized mode, and you're going to pull any additional plugs. This is a booster pump, chlorinator, salt cell. Take that off, especially heaters. Pull all of the plugs, all of the drain plugs, and put all of those plugs in your pump basket so that you know where they are. Make sure that all of the water drains. If you are in a submerged system or flooded system, meaning your pool is up here and your pump and filter is down here, you're going to need to come up with a way to blow those lines out. But if your pool is right here and your pump and filter are up here, you're going to be fine. That's most of us. But you're going to want to make sure that you get all of the water out of your pump and filter, heater, any accessory that you may have on your equipment pad, and you don't want that to freeze. If you want to do some type of creative way to make sure that your pump filter equipment is warm, do that, but make sure that you do not do it in such a way that your equipment will get damaged or anything over there will catch on fire. We don't want any fires happening, so don't do anything weird. Just make sure that your lines are not frozen. If the lines are already frozen, then do what you can to thaw those lines out. Once those lines are thawed, you should be good to go. And if you followed the instructions that I just laid out, pull all of the plugs, put it in the pump basket, drain everything out, then if there's no water in there, then it won't get frozen. Best of luck to you. Hold on tight. We will get through this little cold snap, I promise, and we'll get back to swimming again. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it has been helpful, please hit that like button, give us a share, and let us know in the comments if you have any more concerns about what to do with your pool during the freezing temperatures. We did a video yesterday. You can click the link right over there or right over there talking about how to handle your pool if you have power during freezing temperatures. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.